What if I told you the future isn't coming? It's already here. From mind-controlled devices to self-healing materials, today we're diving into 10 futuristic technologies that are becoming reality. Welcome to the Random Fact Factory. Fact 1. Brain-computer interfaces are turning thought into action. With implanted electrodes, humans can already control robotic arms or type on a screen just by thinking. Companies like Neuralink are working to expand this to speech and even memory. Imagine texting without moving a finger. Fact 2. Quantum computers are no longer science fiction. Unlike traditional computers, they use qubits that can represent both 0 and 1 at the same time. This makes them millions of times faster at solving certain problems. IBM and Google already have working prototypes. Fact 3. Flying cars are real. In 2021, a prototype called the Air Car completed a 35-minute flight between airports in Slovakia. Vehicles like these can transform between car and plane in minutes, opening a whole new way to travel. Fact 4. Smart contact lenses are being developed that can project augmented reality directly into your vision. Instead of holding a phone, you could see maps, messages, and health data right in front of your eyes. Fact 5. Self-healing materials can repair themselves when scratched or broken. Some plastics and concrete can literally heal cracks automatically, which could change everything from smartphone screens to highways. Fact 6. Artificial organs are being 3D printed using living cells. Scientists have already created mini hearts, kidneys, and even lungs in laboratories. This technology could end donor shortages forever. Fact 7. Personal AI assistants are evolving far beyond Alexa or Siri. Future versions can predict your needs, schedule your day, even warn you about health problems before they happen. Your best friend might not be human. It could be an AI. Fact 8. Solar windows turn entire skyscrapers into power plants. By embedding transparent solar cells into glass, every window could generate electricity without blocking the view. Fact 9. Robotic exoskeletons are helping people walk again and giving workers superhuman strength. Some suits let the wearer lift 200 pounds, which is about 90 kilograms, with ease. The future of construction and rehabilitation might look like Iron Man. Fact 10. Fusion energy promises almost unlimited clean power. Instead of splitting atoms like nuclear fission, fusion merges them, the same process that powers the sun. Recent breakthroughs suggest we may see functioning fusion reactors within our lifetime. The future is no longer a dream. It's already knocking at our door. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the Random Fact Factory for more amazing discoveries.